another short video. I'm just trying to do some self-diagnostics on the car. But I remember when we took this thing off, there was, like, you can see that corrosion in there. So I'm gonna spray it out with some electronics duster and then try starting the car and see if it does anything. If it does, cool. If it doesn't, cool. Just more things to find out. But yeah, I do believe it has something to do with that. But yeah, if anything, we just gotta cut that off and repin it. But yeah, because I don't believe this part right here is stock. This looks like some tape, like somebody already did it, but who knows. Start, and it started right away. Oh, that's why it's in gear. Oops. That's weird. And see. I don't know, like, the car seems fine now. That's weird. I have literally no idea. Let's see. Okay, so the code does come right back. Let's check and see if it's the same one. I'm pretty sure it is. Same thing, fuel pressure regulator, control circuit low. Man, I have no idea, but Well, if anything, I'll update you guys again.
Hopefully you guys can see it.
Alright, now that you guys saw me finesse my way around the driveway, which is really not that big, now we're gonna see let's see if it turns on now, and then I'm also going to come back out in like an hour and see if it turns on. And if it does, then we're fine for now, I hope. Turns right back on. Alright, so I'll come back to you guys in like an hour or so. Oh yeah, I forgot to check if the thing is gonna start, so let's see. Well, it starts. Just got a delivery. So nice. 305/3519 Michelin Pilot Super Sports. Oh damn, this is gonna look good on the car. I hope it fits. Like, look at that. And my hands are really big. Like, these are some huge tires. But yeah, hopefully this eliminates all the stretch on the BMW on the forgestars, and it's flush, and I don't have to do anything to the fenders. But yeah, we'll probably try to go get these on tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video, because we're probably going to be putting the tires on. So peace.